this video, I will show you how you can add your new invitees of Calendly to MS Excel automatically. So here I will set an automation in Calendly and MS Excel in such a way that whenever a new invitee is created in Calendly application, the same invitee with all details will be added to MS Excel. Do you also want to automate this process? Then come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So this is my Calendly application and I am going to integrate it with the MS Excel with the help of an integration and automation software Pabbly Connect. And I am an existing user, so here you can notice I am already logged in into the dashboard. Okay, you can also create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from the sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free task to test this automation. Now once you will reach to the dashboard, firstly click on this blue button that is create workflow and provide any random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have provided the name as add new invitees of Calendly to MS Excel. Now I am going to click on this create button and then you will notice two boxes. Okay, so these are actually trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever this happens, then automatically do this. Try to understand with an example. Let's say whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, then automatically send an email via Gmail application to your customers. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. Okay, and according to our use case, whenever any new invitee is created into the Calendly application, so that is why I'm selecting the Calendly application as a trigger application. I want that those invitee details should be added into the MS Excel application. Okay, so that is why I am going to search for the same, that is Microsoft Excel. Now the idea here is I am going to connect both the applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let us first connect Calendly with Pabbly Connect. So firstly I am going to select the trigger event, and here I want that invitee is created into this Calendly application. This automation should trigger, or we can say that the details of invitee should be fetched up automatically via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I have clicked on connect, clicking on add new connection, clicking on connect with the Calendly, and then you will have to provide the access of your Calendly account. Okay, I am already logged in into the Calendly in some different apps, so instead of asking me for the credentials, it has connected immediately. And since I am connected, here you can notice it is showing me the organization name and the user which I have into my Calendly account. Okay, I don't need to make any changes. I just need to click on the save and send test request, and you will notice that the same invitee details, whatever the invitee will be created here, those details will be captured via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so firstly I am going to open that booking page in front of you, and then I am going to make a dummy appointment booking in front of you with some dummy details. Okay, so I have selected the date as 24th of June. Now I am going to select the timing as 10 AM, clicking on next, and here it is asking for the details. Okay, so how about I provide the name something like demo user, asking for the email address. So here I will provide the email address as help@pabblycutes.com. Alright, asking for the email address, and again I am going to provide some dummy phone number only. It is actually a phone number. Okay, so I have provided a 10-digit phone number. Now finally I am going to schedule this event, and once this event is scheduled, or once this appointment is booked, I will have to click on this button, and after clicking on this button you will notice that the same invitee details will be captured via Pabbly Connect. Alright, waiting for the response. Alright, so there is a small change. Firstly you will have to click on the save and send test request button, and after that you will have to book this appointment. Okay, so don't worry about that. I am going to book an appointment once again. Okay, so let us first open this booking page in a new different tab. Okay, so this is my booking page, and this time I am going to schedule this appointment for 22nd of June. The timing is going to be the same. Let me also provide the details. Alright, so I have provided the dummy details, clicking on this schedule event button, and then I will wait for the response to be received. And here you can notice after waiting for few seconds the response is received. Let me show you the details one by one. Here you can notice we have the same email address, we have the same name of the person, we even have the same phone number of the person. Let me also show you the details of the start and end timing. Alright, so here we have the end timing of the event. Let us search for the start timing also. Now you must be thinking that we have scheduled the event for which particular timing, for 10 a.m. to 10:30, but here the start and 10 timing is actually different. That is the start timing is of 4:30 and we have the end timing as 5. Okay, so why there is a difference in between timings? Okay, so basically this particular timing has been captured into the UTC format. Okay, so when I will convert this UTC format into the Indian Standard Time, you will see that we will get the same timing, the exact timing for which we have scheduled the event. Okay, that is very easy with Pabbly Connect. Let me show you how you can do that. Okay, so before this Microsoft Excel step, firstly I'm going to click on this plus icon and then I will search for the date and time formatter feature, which is an amazing feature of Pabbly Connect, via which you can apply different kind of operations within your date, within your automation. Okay, so I will go with this format date with the time zone. Simply click on connect and it will be connected immediately. Now you just need to provide the date, and the interesting thing is I don't need to manually copy this date and paste it here. When I will click on this field, you will notice that the same Calendly data, the above data is visible here in the drop down. Let me search for the same, that is the start date. Alright, I have selected the same. Now you must be thinking that what is this mapping? Okay, so whatever the details you will map in this way, these details will replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. Now it is asking for the from format. Okay, so currently we have the from format as YYYYMMDDT and then HHMMSS and Z finally. Well, the same format is already got selected. In the to format, instead of this format, I think I would like to go with the simpler format. Okay, so how about I go with this simple format, that is YYYYMMDDHHMMSS. Okay, so I have selected the same, and of course in the from time zone, since the from time zone currently we have is into the UTC and ETC format. Okay, so let me search for the same, that is ETC and UTC, and in the to time zone I will select it as Asia/Kolkata. Okay, so I have selected the same. Clicking on this button save and send test request, and you will notice that in the response we will receive the same timing, that is 22nd of June 10 a.m. Here you can notice that we have booked this appointment for the same timing. Okay, so we have converted the start timing currently. Now we can easily convert the end timing also, but before that, how about I first rename this step so that I won't get confused. Okay, date and time formatter, and here I will add a colon, and this is for the start timing, so let me write start time. Okay, clicking on update, and the interesting thing is for the end timing I don't need to apply this step from the scratch. When I will click on this three dot, I will find an option of the copy and paste option. Okay, so firstly I am going to copy the same step. Okay, and then again I am going to click on this three dot and clicking on this paste step, and you will notice that the same step will be pasted here also, and here you can notice the same step has been pasted. Firstly I am going to rename this step as end timing. Okay, so instead of start timing I will write it as end timing. How about I remove this extra data, clicking on this update button, and now finally I am going to do the changes. Okay, so I just need to make a small changes, that is in place of the start timing I am going to map the end timing here, which we have received from Calendly. Okay, so let us check where is the end timing, and here you can notice we have the timing as the end timing. Okay, so let me map the same, and here the from format will be the same, the to format will be the same, the from time zone and the to time zone is also going to be the same. Directly clicking on this button, and you will notice that in the response we will receive the same end timing, that is 10:30. Okay, here you can notice the timing is same. Alright, so we have received the start timing as well as the end timing. We also have all the event details which we can directly update into the MS Excel. Okay, so the application is already selected. You just need to select the action event, that is add a row to worksheet. Okay, so firstly we are going to add a new row, and in that new row all the data will be added. If you are building this connection for the first time, you will have to select this add a new connection, and then you will have to click on this connect with Microsoft Excel and provide the access of your Microsoft Excel account. Okay, so I have already provided this connection multiple times, so I will go with the existing connection only, clicking on save, and this is how my Microsoft Excel application will be also connected with Pabbly Connect immediately. Here you can see it is connected, and since we are connected, whatever the workbooks I have created into my Excel account have started visible here. Currently I will select this particular Excel. Okay, so how about I first rename this Excel sheet all new invitee details. Okay, I'm providing this particular name, and here you can notice I have in total 1 2 3 4 5 6 columns in total in this spreadsheet, that is the event name, invitee name, phone number, email, event start time, and the event end time. Okay, come back to Pabbly Connect and open this drop down. Okay, so let us search for the same. Let us first refresh this particular thing so that whatever the changes we have just made into our Excel spreadsheet, the same changes will be reflected here also. Okay, wait for that. And if I will open this drop down, let me search for the same, that is all new invitee details. All right, I have selected the same. Okay, in sheet 1, well, I have a single sheet only which has got selected in this worksheet automatically, and then you will notice that whatever the columns I have added into my Excel sheet, the same column will be visible as the field here into the Pabbly Connect dashboard. Here you can notice we have all 6 columns, that is the event name, the invitee name, the phone number, email, event start time, and the event end time. Okay, so from where I am going to provide the details, remember we have already captured this data into our previous step. Okay, and I don't need to manually copy those data and paste it here. Again, I am going to map this data, and as I have told you, mapping is very simple. Okay, let me first search for the event name, which was astrology consultation timing. So I have mapped the first detail. Asking for the invitee name, again I am going to search for the same. I remember the name of the person was test user. Asking for the phone number, let me again search for the same, and here we have the dummy phone number of the invitee. And let me map other 3 details also, that is the email address. All right, I have searched for the email address as well, and the event start time and end time. So I am going to map these 2 details from this particular data, from this date and time formatter data. Okay, so I think I have mapped all the details, and as I have told you, whatever the details you will map here, these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. And as soon as I will click on this save and send test request button in front of you, you will notice that the data will be added into the MS Excel. Here you can notice that the positive response is received. Going back to my Excel sheet, and let me first refresh this sheet, fingers crossed, and wait for that invitee data to be updated here. And here you can notice that we have the same event name, we have the invitee name, we have the phone number, email, event start time, that is the 10 a.m. and event end time, that is the 10:30 a.m. Okay, so we have all the data. Okay, and the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between our Microsoft Excel and Pabbly Connect is also working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards, what will happen? Every time someone is going to book an event, basically whenever a new invitee is created into your Calendly application, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect firstly and instantly. Okay, because this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, and after that it is going to convert both the timings, and once the timings are converted, it will immediately add those details into the MS Excel. Okay, so to automate this process, you need to create this automation inside Pabbly Pabbly Connect just once. After that, you can sit back and relax because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually, okay? And just in case if you want to access this 4-step automation into your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my automation into the description box, okay? So you just need to click on this link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access this workflow, this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.